All right, guys, we are gonna do a Trader Joe's shopping trip, and I'm gonna show you everything that I'm getting that is Optavia approved. Let's get inside. Goodies, and I'm so excited because I'm going to be making a brand new recipe tomorrow for lean and green, so make sure you check that out. It's going to be good. Never made it before. Something similar, but not close, but no cigar. How's that? All right, see you guys tomorrow, and remember, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. It's pouring. Here it comes. Here comes the rain. Bye, guys.